Apple stores around the world are preparing for what insiders describe as an iPhone release level event. That kind of preparation does not happen often. It is usually reserved for the launch of a major flagship device. But this time, the excitement is not just about one product. Apple appears ready to unveil several new devices, and employees are getting ready for a wave of customers. According to reports from industry insider Mark Gurman in his Power On newsletter, store employees have been informed that they will be working longer hours for the foreseeable future. That level of staffing usually only happens when a new iPhone launches. In addition, stores are setting up dedicated tables focused on a single new product. When Apple gives one product its own table space, it usually means the company expects strong interest and heavy foot traffic. This month, Apple is expected to announce several new devices. These include the iPhone 17 updated MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models, new iPad and iPad Air versions, and something very different for Apple, a new budget MacBook. Out of all these devices, it is the budget MacBook that seems to be getting special attention inside Apple stores. Internally, Apple reportedly believes this new MacBook offers incredible value. That is a big statement for a company known for premium pricing. Apple laptops have always been positioned at the higher end of the market, but this new model could change that image in a big way. The budget MacBook is expected to cost between $500 and $600. That would make it one of the most affordable Mac laptops ever released. Apple is clearly targeting students with this device. The company hopes to attract younger buyers who may not have considered a Mac before because of the price. It is also trying to win over Windows and Chromebook users who want a more premium experience at a lower cost. Another interesting detail is that this budget MacBook will reportedly use an A series chip. These chips are typically found in iPhones. While this may mean less computing power compared to higher-end MacBooks, it also suggests strong efficiency and battery life. For everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, writing, and schoolwork, this chip could be more than enough. The design is also breaking tradition. The new MacBook is expected to come in fun, playful colors. Apple has experimented with color in products like the iMac and iPhone, but MacBooks have usually stayed with more neutral tones. Offering brighter color options shows that Apple is trying to appeal to a broader audience, especially younger users. Even though this is a budget model, it will still feature a premium metallic finish. That means Apple is not compromising on build quality. The company seems to be balancing affordability with the premium look and feel people expect from a Mac. But this event is only the beginning of what could be a major year for Apple. The company has reportedly changed its usual iPhone release cycle. This year, we may not see the base model of the iPhone 18 or the iPhone Air 2. Instead, Apple is expected to launch only the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. Even more interesting is the expected debut of Apple's foldable iPhone. That would be completely new territory for the company. Apple has taken its time entering the foldable market, but if it launches this year, it could reshape the competition. There are also rumors of a touchscreen MacBook arriving before the end of the year. That would be another major shift, blending the Mac and Touch input in a way Apple has avoided for years. With dedicated tables in stores, longer employee shifts, and multiple product launches expected, it is clear that Apple is preparing for something big. Whether it is the budget MacBook, new iPhones, or even a foldable device, this month could mark the start of a major new chapter for Apple's product lineup. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's biggest upgrades in recent years. With major improvements in battery life, performance, connectivity, design, and camera technology, this device is designed to push the smartphone experience to a whole new level.